It is day 3, and we are all jet lagged, and we are all grumpy, and we all want food. Okay, Mark is grumpy.
Seriously.
And he's like, Chop, let's go.
Yeah.
I just roll out of bed.
Got off the cruise ship. We are in France, day 3, but this is only day 1 of France. About to head to Monaco, hop on a train, and go see the race. Seems the police have put up all these barricades so you can't see the Grand Prix, which kind of sucks. So we're walking up this massive hill to attempt to see something. See if you can see anything. Is it cool? We'll find out later. Well, we can't really get to the race, so we're kind of just wandering around, which is fun, but we still want to see the Grand Prix. Well, we are at a restaurant, and this is literally the best view we're gonna get because they charge 100 euros for standing room, basically right here. Yeah, you can't even see it. It's like through the trees, past the yachts. Alright, so Mark, Kim, and Mom, and Dad all just stayed at Monte Carlo to finish watching the Grand Prix, even though they're not going to see anything and they're only going to hear car noises. So, Alanette, Uncle Todd, Grandma and Grandpa and I went on the train and caught it back here because it started raining, and they're heading back to the cruise ship, so now I am just wandering around France all by myself, and it's going to be great. Alright, so this has been a lot of fun just wandering around by myself, playing with my drone, really just kind of taking random turns and exploring France. It's been very, very fulfilling so far. Absolutely love France, absolutely gorgeous, and all the plants growing out of everywhere, all the rock walls and scooters just driving up and down. It's just a very peaceful vibe. It's not very dirty, there's no homeless people, there's no smog, it's not loud, it's just very relaxing and very quiet. It's great.